Welcome to Paintify. In this tutorial, I will walk you through everything you need to know about using our ComfyUI Style Transfer feature, from signing up to downloading your first AI-generated artwork. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to paintify.cc. You'll land on our welcome page where you can see all our available features. Notice the navigation buttons at the top: Paintify ComfyUI, Paintify Pro Seedream 4.0, and Paintify Pro Nano Banana Pro. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the ComfyUI Style Transfer, which is perfect for beginners. You'll also see that new users receive 2 free image generations to try out the app before committing to any credit purchases. Click the Sign In or Create Account button. You'll see the authentication panel where you can either sign in with an existing account or create a new one. To create an account, simply enter your email address and choose a password. You'll receive a confirmation email, click the link to verify your account, and you're all set. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and click Sign In. Forgot your password? No problem. Click the Forgot Your Password link below the sign-in form. Enter the email address associated with your Paintify account and click Send Reset Instructions. You'll see a confirmation message that the password reset email has been sent. Now, here's an important step many people miss. Before you click the reset link in your email, make sure to clear your browsers, cookies, and cache, and close the Paintify tab. This ensures the password reset process works correctly, especially on Safari and Apple devices. Once you've done that, open your email and click the Reset Password link. You'll be redirected to a secure page where you can enter your new password. Type it in, confirm it, and click Update Password. You'll see a success message confirming your password has been changed. Now you can sign in with your new credentials. After signing in, click on Paintify ComfyUI to access the Style Transfer page. This is where the magic happens. The interface is divided into sections. On the left, you'll upload your content image. That's the photo you want to transform. On the right, you'll select a style image from our gallery or upload your own. Below that are your settings for prompts, model presets, and output options. Start by uploading your content image. The photo you want to stylize, click the Upload area and select an image from your device. Images should be under 5 megabytes. Next, choose your style image. You can browse our curated style image gallery, which includes categories like oil painting, watercolor, gouache, pastel, comic, sketch, and abstract. Each style is carefully selected to give you beautiful results. Alternatively, you can upload your own style image if you have a specific artistic reference in mind. All gallery images are licensed under Creative Commons or are royalty-free. Now, let's talk about prompts. The positive prompt describes what you want in your image. You can write your own or click Generate a Prompt to let our AI analyze your image and create a description automatically. Watch the notification in the bottom right. It says, "Please don't navigate away while the prompt generator is processing." Once complete, your generated prompt will appear in the text field. The negative prompt tells the AI what to avoid. Things like ugly, blurry, noisy, distorted, signature are already filled in as defaults. Choose your model preset from the dropdown. Options include fast, quick results for testing, high quality, better detail, and refinement, realistic, photorealistic style transfers, cinematic, dramatic, movie-like effects, and animated cartoon and animation styles. Adjust the photo content strength slider to control how much of your original image is preserved. 100% keeps it closest to your source photo. Style image strength controls how strongly the artistic style is applied. Start around 50% and adjust to taste. Finally, choose your output format: PNG for best quality with transparency, WebP for smaller file sizes, or JPEG for maximum compatibility. When you're ready, click Start Transfer. You'll see a notification saying, "Processing started. Please stay on the page while the style transfer is processing." This usually takes about 30 to 90 seconds, depending on the model. Once complete, your transformed artwork appears. Each style transfer uses 2 credits, and you'll see a confirmation message. Your finished artwork displays with several options. Click Rotate if the image orientation needs adjusting. Download at 2048 pixels on the longest side to save your high-resolution creation. reset to start over, or transfer style to create another variation with the same settings. To view all your creations, click your profile and Style Transfers in the navigation bar. The Style Transfer History tab shows your recent generations from the past 7 days, including the content image, style image, result, and all the settings you used. Hover over any result image to see action buttons for rotating, downloading, or deleting your creations. The hamburger menu in the top right corner gives you quick access to tutorials, the referral program, privacy settings, your credit history, and sign out. Don't forget, you can earn 40 free credits by referring friends. When they make their first purchase, you both benefit. Plus, credits never expire for the lifetime of the application. That's everything you need to know to start creating stunning AI art with Paintify's ComfyUI Style Transfer. Start with your 2 free generations, and when you're ready for more, grab a credit pack for just $5. Lock in the current price of $5 before January 1st, 2026, when the price increases to $8. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.